The name of the companies is Coco Limited Patents companies. Also, already we make more patents, with ecology patents, and we believe and we trust our market is friendly with us. We want to make to build a trust with a government, with a public first of all, with a market, and with our companies. And we see our business in future plan. We construct business in future plan. This is a Geco, oil Geco, who is done to make pollutions, is multi-Geco for many using, home using. The next one, this is a SAWAS systems, and is boil water for drinking, boilers water from drinking, heating water. The next one is a bucket one, who is making recycles and economy for sapun, for chlorine, anti-pollutions and recycles bucket. The next one is mosquitoes repellers. The next one is electronic thermometer one. The next one is solar bucket. And a solar trolley. Solar trolley. The next one is a Kobu one. This is a scratching bag which clean our body. We use for our body. This is a mattress one and sleepy bag. The other one is a ribbon one, spare parts for mops, very economical. The next one is a dust pan. Next one is a doormat one. Next is our pillows, who is possible we clean the filling, cleaning filling. We clean the filling. Well, this is a bucket, a very big bucket for authorities, for army, for cabin, obligatory for hospital, because we have heating water, bucket heating water, with sapun, with chlorine, and is anti-pollution systems, anti-jams. Is kill any jams who is it in hospital, in camping, in house, in factories, in everywhere. Well, our target is just two, economy and ecology, and very cheap for the market, solutions for the public, because we must use new technologies and ecologies, energies. For example, our Geco and our SAWAS systems is with a oil one, who is beans, olives oil is pyreneleon. In for the olives fruit we take two oils. Oils for the food, and inside is beans in the olives fruits. And from these beans name is pyrenas. From there we take pyreneleon, we use this pyreneleon for energy, eco energy. This is it. We don't use paraffins, we don't use charcoal, we don't use any kind of energies which make pollutions in our home, in our environment. This is our target. Solutions, economical, ecology, and patent solutions for our people.